Stinako Company's introduction. Are you in search of a partner in stage systems installations? Or you might be looking for someone who can offer complex pipe installation services. If yes, you are at the right place. We are Stinako, and we offer services in the area of installation of stainless steel pipes. Hi there, I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is an introduction to our company, Stinako. We will be discussing the services, our certifications, and why you should use our services. So the company was founded back in the year 2003, with the goal to provide the best maintenance services for various facilities. The next year was important, and we started to actively pursue the areas of maintenance and lifting equipment abroad. We were able to hire qualified staff in our company. All of the 80 members of our company are highly skilled in the field of welding, and they are well experienced in providing equipment and piping system installation services. Over the years, we have provided our services to electricity generation companies, distribution facilities, and pharmaceutical companies. Moreover, we have also worked in the area of cooling systems. After years of dedication and consistent improvement, we have reached a point where we are offering services in 4 areas. Number 1 is pipe installation services. We do everything from designing to installing the complete pipe system for buildings. The next service is lifting technology installation. Let me tell you that it is a complete solution for facilities who constantly have to modify the venue as well as seating. Third, we offer power station and boiler maintenance services for facilities so they can easily manage their normal workflow. Here it is important to note that facilities need maintenance in order to give you a longer life of built-in equipment. Moreover, regular maintenance also ensures that you will be getting rid of any potential problems in a breakdown. And lastly, we offer proprietary production of pressure vessels as well as complex pipework. You might also want to note that all our pipe systems are made from high-quality stainless materials to ensure better quality and longer life. Now the question is, why should you work with us? Well, we have multiple certifications that prove our highest quality of services and safety work. These certifications include EN ISO 9001, AD 2000 Merkblatt HP0, ODNORM EN, and ISO 38342, SCC, and EN 1090. Moreover, we also have certifications for our welding procedures that include AD 2000 and EN ISO 15614-1. In the end, I would like to mention that we mainly provide services in Central Europe, as well as elsewhere around the globe. For more information about our certifications and services, visit our website, or you can also contact us at info@stinako.sci or directly on order email production@stinako.sci. We will be happy to assist you.